Assalamu alaikum. Hello dear student. How are you at home? I think you are fine. As schools are shut down, I am appearing before you on behalf of Ghare Boshe Shikhi to take a class for the student of class 4. At very first, I would like to introduce myself. I am Rupa Mollik Rupu, Assistant Teacher, Trinity Gate Government Primary School, and I am from Khagrachuri. My dear student, let's start. I want to start with a English in action song, and it's Hello Hello. Okay? Everybody please stand up. Okay. Hello, hello, hello my friend. Happy to meet you, happy to meet you, happy to meet you today. Again. Hello, hello, hello my friend. Happy to meet you, happy to meet you, happy to meet you today. Nice. Okay, dear student, let's go to our lesson. You all are welcome to my class. My dear student, let's see the punctuation marks that we use during writing. And at the time of our writing, we use many punctuation marks. Here is this punctuation mark. First one is comma, semicolon, colon, full stop, exclamation mark, question mark, apostrophe, quotes, double quotes or quotation mark, hyphen, dash, stroke or slash. It's round brackets, square brackets, ellipses and asterisks. In my last class, I also discussed with you about this punctuation mark, and today I also discuss about some punctuation mark. And our today's lesson is Write Well To. My dear student, it's from your textbook. তোমাদের পাঠ্যবই থেকে কিন্তু এই ছবিটি। প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, আমাদের ইউনিট হলো 23 and আমাদের লেসন 1 2 থেকে 3 4 পেজ নং 48 and 49. Okay dear student, today I discuss with you about the use of exclamation mark and quotation mark. Dear student, our last discussion topics was full stop and using capital letter, and today I am going to discuss with you about use of exclamation mark and quotation mark. My dear student, do you know what is exclamation mark? Do you know it? It's exclamation mark. It's exclamation mark. Then quotation mark. Do you know what is quotation mark? Guess it. Dear student, guess it. It's quotation mark. I also discuss it in when I show you a picture. That time I also show you exclamation mark and quotation mark. Okay dear student. At very first, I want to discuss with you about word meaning. This word is from your text. In your book, in this lesson, there is a dialogue in your topics, and this dialogue have some words, and very first I want to discuss with this word and with their Bengali meanings. Okay, first one I selected, it's throw. Please repeat after me, dear student. Throw. Its similar English word is pitch. Throw, pitch. And its Bengali meanings is nikhep kora. Dear student, nikhep kora ortho chure mara. Nikhep kora ba chure mara. Again, throw, its similar is pitch, and Bengali meanings is nikhep kora. Okay, next word, a stone. What's it? It's stone, and its similar word is rock. Everybody, a stone, rock, and its Bengali meaning is pathor. Rock, stone, rock, and Bengali meanings pathor. Amra to pathor chini, tai na? Okay. Next word, stop. Stop. Stop means end. End. And its Bengali meanings bondho kora. Bondho kora, shesh kora, samapto kora. Everything is stop. Okay. Next, sorry. Sorry, its English meanings sad. Sorry, sad. And its Bengali meanings dukkhito. Dukkhito. My dear student, so I think you can understand this word with their English meaning and Bengali meaning. Now, my dear student, it's time to listen the text, the dialogue. Please, everybody, listen the text attentively. সবাই পাঠটি মনোযোগ দিয়ে শুনবে। আমি এখন ডায়ালগটি তোমাদেরকে পড়ে শোনাবো। In your book, there is a picture of two boys and two frogs. আমরা কিন্তু প্রথমেই দেখেছিলাম দুটি ছেলে এবং দুটি ব্যাঙ আছে ছবিতে। So, everybody, listen to me. Fazle or Fazl. Look, there are two frogs. Saiful, wow, let's throw a stone at them. Fazle, stop, don't do that. Saiful, I'm sorry. Dear student, can you understand the dialogue? Let I discuss it again with Bengali. Fazle, look, there are two frogs. Dekho, duti ব্যাঙ. Saiful, wow, let's throw a stone at them. Wow, চলো তাদেরকে পাথর মারি. Fazle, stop, don't do that. থামো, এটা করো না. Saiful, I'm sorry. Saiful বলল, আমি দুঃখিত। কি শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, বুঝতে পারলে ডায়লগ থেকে কি বুঝলাম আমরা? We can realize two friends are talking about frog. Dear student, there is some punctuation mark in this topic. It's semicolon, it's quotation mark, it's full stop, and in this topic there are many exclamation mark. Now I want to show you or indicate you the exclamation mark. Okay, here it's look, and after look here is a exclamation mark. After look here is a exclamation mark. Next, wow. Wow. And here is also a exclamation mark. Dear student, please look it and listen to me attentively. There is also a exclamation mark after wow. Again, there is stop. Stop. And after stop, there is also a exclamation mark. My dear student, can you understand what is exclamation mark and how we write it? We write it as this. It's exclamation mark. Okay. My dear student, now I would like to ask you a question. তোমাদেরকে কি প্রশ্ন করব? প্রশ্নটি হলো, where we use exclamation mark? Where we use exclamation mark? আমরা কোথায় exclamation mark ব্যবহার করি? তোমরা কি জানো? চলো আমি তোমাদেরকে বলে দিচ্ছি। Number 1, we use exclamation mark for strong feelings and surprise. We use exclamation mark for strong feelings or surprise. আমরা খুব ভালো কোনো অনুভূতি, কঠিন কোনো অনুভূতি দেখাতে গেলে লেখার ক্ষেত্রে exclamation mark ব্যবহার করি এবং বিস্ময়সূচক কোনো বাক্য লিখলে সেক্ষেত্রেও কিন্তু exclamation mark ব্যবহার করি। Okay, I have example for you. Be careful. Be careful. Here is also a exclamation mark. Then, oh no. Sometimes if we have any wrong, আমরা যদি কোনো ভুল করি সেক্ষেত্রে কিন্তু আমরা বলি oh no. And after oh no, there is also a exclamation mark. Okay, again, number 2, usually we use exclamation mark after exclamatory sentence and interjection. Usually we use exclamation mark after exclamatory sentence and interjection. Dear student, আমরা সাধারণত বিস্ময়সূচক কোনো বাক্য বলার পরেও কিন্তু exclamation mark ব্যবহার করি এবং interjection সূচক কোনো শব্দ ব্যবহার বা সেন্টেন্স ব্যবহার করলেও সেই ক্ষেত্রে exclamation mark ব্যবহার করি। Do you know what is interjection? Interjection is a parts of speech. Okay, dear students. Let's go to today's topics. Here is an example for you. How fine the birds is. How fine the birds is. পাখিটা কি সুন্দর, তাই না? পাখিটা কি সুন্দর। এই ধরনের বিস্ময়সূচক বাক্য বলতে গেলে আমরা শেষে কোন চিহ্নটা ব্যবহার করব? Yes, you are right. Exclamation mark. My dear student, now use the exclamation mark. Here I have 4 sentences for you and you should try to use exclamation mark in just place. সঠিক জায়গায় exclamation mark ব্যবহার করব আমরা এখন। ঠিক আছে? My dear student, please try. First one. Hooray! We have won the game. Hooray! We have won the game. Do you know where we use exclamation marks in this sentence? এই বাক্যে কোথায় আমরা exclamation mark ব্যবহার করব জানো? Can you guess, dear student? I think you can guess. Let's match with me. hooray. After hooray, we should use exclamation mark. Next, number 2. Don't stand up. Don't stand up. Where can we use exclamation mark, dear student? Can you guess? Okay, let's match with me. At the finish of the sentence, we use exclamation mark. So, don't stand up. Here, at the finish of the sentence, we can use exclamation mark. Number 3. What a beautiful river is it? What a beautiful river is it? কি সুন্দর নদী এটা. Here, where we can use exclamation mark, dear student? Can you guess? Okay? If you can guess, match with me. At last or at the finish of the line, we have used exclamation mark. Okay, last one. Number 4. Stop now. Stop now. Dear student, where we can use exclamation mark? Can you guess it? I think you can guess. Now match with me. Yes, at the last of the sentence, we can use here the exclamation mark. My dear student, I think you can understand the exclamation mark by this sentence, and you can write it in your exercise book. Or when you should write, you can write that where you use exclamation mark. Okay. Then, dear student, it's page number 49 in your book, and it's lesson 3 or 4. 3-4. There is a picture in your textbook. In this picture, its mother, and he is her son. He is get pain in his leg, and he talk with his mother, and their dialogue is, his side says, I am coming. Mother says, don't stand up. Okay, again, I am coming. Who said? Syed said. Syed says, I am coming. And his mother says, don't stand up. Dear student, Syed বলছে আমি আসছি, আর সাইদের মা বলছে দাঁড়াবে না কারণ তার পায়ে ব্যথা. Here we have used quotation mark. Dear student, do you familiar with quotation mark? তোমরা কি quotation mark চেনো? Here is quotation mark, and I have indicated for you. This is quotation mark. Before I, here is a quotation mark, and after coming, there is also a quotation mark. My dear student, please look at the picture. Here again, quotation mark uses this don't. Before don't, here is also a quotation mark, and after up, here is also a quotation mark. Because a quotation mark is used before beginning a sentence and after finish the sentence, a quotation mark is uses. Okay, my dear student, now my question for you, I also discuss with you. Before discussion, I want to ask that where we use quotation marks or inverted commas. Dear student, quotation marks has another name, and it's well known as inverted commas. Quotation mark or inverted commas. So let's see the using. Number 1, we use quotation marks after and before reported space. We use quotation marks after and before reported space. Dear student, let's see an example. Are you hungry? Said the mother. Are you hungry? Said the mother. My dear student, what can you understand from this sentence? তোমার কি ক্ষুধা লেগেছে? কে বলছে? মা বলেছেন বা মা বলেছেন তোমার কি ক্ষুধা লেগেছে? So it is a reported speech. Are you hungry? It's a reported speech. And here is quotation mark. My dear student, before this sentence there is a quotation mark, and after the reported sentence or reported speech here is also a quotation mark. Next, number 2, when any name mentioned we use quotation mark. When any name mentioned we use quotation mark. Any name, any important name, any historical name, any familiar or it's important বা কোনো পরিচিত গুরুত্বপূর্ণ কোনো নামকে নির্দিষ্টভাবে মেনশন করতে গেলে সেই ক্ষেত্রেও quotation mark ব্যবহার করি. I have example for you. Gitanjali is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Gitanjali is written by Rabindranath Tagore. রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুরের লেখা হলো গীতাঞ্জলি বা গীতাঞ্জলি রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুর লিখেছেন. Here Gitanjali is the name. আমরা যখন কোনো বিষয়কে গুরুত্ব দিয়ে কথা বলবো, যেমন এখানে গীতাঞ্জলি এই বইটিকে বা এই গল্পগুচ্ছটিকে গুরুত্ব দেওয়া হয়েছে, তাই এর আগে এবং পরে কোটেশন মার্ক ব্যবহার করা হয়েছে. ওকে, again. So Gitanjali is the name and it's mentioned, so we use quotation mark before writing and after its writing. Okay, dear student, number 3, we use capital letters after beginning quotation mark. We use capital letter before after beginning quotation mark. আমরা কি করি? ক্যাপিটাল লেটার ব্যবহার করি বিগিনিং কোটেশন মার্ক. একটা কোটেশন মার্ক শুরু করার আগেই কিন্তু শুরু করার পরে প্রথম ওয়ার্ডটা হবে ক্যাপিটাল লেটার. ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, I have a example. She is happy. Come here. Here before writing she and she's S is a capital letter, and before write this capital letter we have used quotation mark, and after writing after using quotation mark we have a capital letter, and it's the system or it's the uses of quotation mark. Okay, my dear student, now use the quotation mark. Here is 3 sentences for you, and we have to use quotation mark here. Can you use it? I think you can use the quotation mark. Let's start with me. Number 1, come here. It's come here. Where can we use quotation mark, dear student? In come or here or come here? Let's match with me. Yes, before start a sentence we have used quotation mark, and after quotation mark here is C, come, and C is a capital letter, and after writing the sentence we use also quotation mark. Okay, next one, number 2, you are fast. You are fast. Where can we use quotation mark? Can you guess? Match with me, dear student. Before start writing we use quotation mark. And after finish the sentence, we also use quotation mark. Okay, last one, number 3. Help me, please. Help me, please. Help me, please. Where can we use quotation mark, dear student? Yes, you are right. Before start or before beginning the sentence, we start quotation mark, and at last we have used quotation mark. My dear student, can you understand the use of quotation mark? I think you can understand this use of quotation mark. Now it's time to discuss about one day, one word. Dear student, I have already learned some word at very first. Now I selected a word from this word, and it's stone. It's stone. Dear student, everybody spell with me. S-T-O-N-E. That is stone. S-T-O-N-E. That is stone. Can you imagine the meaning, Bengali meaning of this word? I have already discussed with you. Okay, I think you can imagine. It's pathor. Stone, and its Bengali meaning is pathor. Dear student, can you make any sentence with this word stone? Parbe sentence tori korte stone diye? I think you can do that. I have also make a sentence for you, and it's: the teacher said, "Don't throw the stone." My dear student, in my sentence, I have also used the quotation mark and exclamation mark. The teacher said, "Don't throw the stone." Don't throw the stone. And at the end of the sentence, there is a exclamation mark, and don't start, when I start don't throw the stone, that time I use also quotation mark. Okay, dear student. Now it's time to give you home task. My dear student, use exclamation, quotation and capital letter in following sentence. Use exclamation, quotation and capital letter in following sentence. নিচের বাক্যগুলোতে তোমরা exclamation mark, quotation mark এবং বড় হাতের অক্ষর capital letter ব্যবহার করবে। The sentence is number 1. Sujan says, "Please don't be angry." Number 2. Shahin says, "This is very nice." Number 3. Shita says, "You are fast." Number 4. Trishna says, "Let's swim in the pond." Dear student, you can write this word from your textbook. In your textbook, page number 49, number C, there has some sentence. You have to make those or write this as your home task. Okay. Now I like to summarize today's lesson. Today, at very first, I have discussed with you. I have shown you a picture where we have quotation mark, and I discussed with you the the punctuation mark, and I discussed with the punctuation mark. Then I declared today's lesson, and I discussed the write well soon to the dialogue, first page dialogue, and I show you the exclamation mark from the dialogue. Then I discuss with you about the using of exclamation mark. I discuss with you I do some using of exclamation mark with some sentence. Then I discuss about next lesson 3, where we have quotation mark, and I discuss about quotation mark using. Then at last I give you I discuss with you about a one day one word. At last I give you a home task. My dear student, you should do the home task, and if you do that, you can learn this chapter again, and you should read out this chapter or the topics from your book. Okay, dear student, stay at home, don't go outside. Please wash your hand again and again, and keep watching Ghore Boshe Shikhi online class, and I will appearing before you with another class another day. Till then, Allah Hafiz, my dear student. Goodbye.